Hey guys, and welcome back to Cooking with Deb. Today's Sunday. The weather is nice outside. Football game's on. Gonna put some steaks on the grill. Let's get it. All right. Season these. Got some garlic, pepper. Alright you guys, I want to show you guys something that my dad taught me how to make. It's basically jalapenos, onion, and tomatoes on the grill. Alright you guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is chop up my tomato, jalapenos, and my onion. Make sure that you wash your vegetables. Alright you guys, so before anything, I'm going to get my foil out. Crisscross it. Before I put my meat on the grill, I'm gonna put this stuff on first. Alright guys, so I have my onion, jalapeno, and tomatoes. I'm gonna put some butter. Put as much as you want. Then I'm going to put some garlic pepper. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to coat this up. So we have this grill, but cooking on this one. It is what it is.
You want me to talk or no?
You can if you want.
I don't want to talk. Fire's not too high.
It only fits 2 steaks. Alright guys, and our steak is almost done. Hope it's well done because I don't like raw. Might as well bite into the cow. Heck no. I think because I don't like that irony taste, but looking good. Alright guys, so we got our steak. And we're going to pair that up with some corn, mashed potatoes, and then we're going to come over here, take a video in here. So what we're going to do is grab this, we're going to put this on top of our steak. There you have it. Make sure you guys like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.